Right, the following certificates are going to be issued now by the acting officer commanding, like I've already said. This is a certificate of appreciation from the 215 Battalion to the members who have distinguished themselves in the execution of their duties. The first one that I'm having now is the best senior NCO. The first number is 95740587 PE. Staff Sergeant ML Ngosi. Staff Sergeant ML Ngosi. All right, colleagues, I apologize for my poor voice. What I'm saying is that the certificate that is going to be issued now is the certificate of appreciation for the excellent execution of the members' duties within the services of 215 Battalion. Now, the member that is going to receive the certificate by now, the first number is 95740587 PE, Staff Sergeant ML Ngosi. Staff Sergeant ML Ngosi. If Ngosi is not here, is there any member from MS that can advance to receive the member's certificate? There ain't nothing I won't do for you. And baby, don't ever doubt my love, 'cause it's true. Baby, hold on to me. See, I'm a special kind. The next person within the category of excellence in execution of his or her duties is 94854460 PE, Corporal S. Tau. Corporal S. Tau. Let us show appreciation. The step hands to appreciate. Within the same category, colleagues, we've got the best admin 00072108 MC Scout PL Mushweu. Scout PL Mushweu. Best admin. That I would never hurt you. Oh, girl, you know that I will never desert you. You like it? As we proceed, colleagues. As we proceed, colleagues, you know we've got different sections within the unit itself. My apologies not to announce the previous section that is received. That is MS. MS, thank you very much for your support in relation to 215 patriotism and activities. Thank you. Next section that we'll be going to will be the procurement section. On procurement section, we've got the following: the best administrator 06012322 MCPE CR George, Private CR George as the best administrator for procurement section. Someone from procurement, please. Colleagues, it's going to be a long day for there are a lot of patriots and people who are selflessly committed to the activities of the unit. We've got the best storeman still within procurement 00211599 MG Private L Pasha. Private L Pasha. Will you live without me, baby? 'Cause I can't Aluta continue, colleagues. Now we've got the best storeman, 00135038 MC Lance Corporal T. Begwa. Oh, there are still issues. Yeah, this term, I am not used to these terms within the military. We've got the next is the best marketing strategist. 05035843 MC Private TG Makinane. Private TG Makinane. Right, colleagues, we move on again. We've got another best storeman within the same section, which is 00193797 MG Private ZL Koza. Private ZL Koza. Colleagues, we carry on. Now we are done with that was commercialization. These terms, now we move from commercialization to hospitality, colleagues. On the fittest male, on the category of fittest male from hospitality, we've got 9565487 PE Corporal LP Monotwe, Corporal Monotwe. Wikicini. Right, these members are committed. They are still cooking for us as well here. Right, we've got. Yes. Okay. Right, colleagues, I've been advised by my colleague here for us because we must enjoy. She advised me to read each section and the members in their categories. So my queen, can you just sit down, we'll read the rest of your members, then come and collect when you're collecting for the rest. Thank you. Right, we've already read the category of the first member. Then we've got our second member, who's the best driver, still within the same section. 9376096 PE Lance Corporal Mike Papa and Ngongo.
Slender.
The next one is the fittest female within the same section, 06027783 MC Lance Corporal SR Makafula. Lance Corporal Makafula. Can we clap each and every certificate when it's read, please? The next one is the most disciplined member. Discipline is the key. It's 99021065 MC Lance Corporal T-Sim Kalipi. Lance Corporal T-Sim Kalipi, we thank you for your discipline. The next one, we've got the neatest member. Cleanliness is next to the holiness. This is the neatest member, 05057500 CA, Mr. T. Nyateli. Auyaba Nyateli, Mr. Nyateli. The next one, we've got the most disciplined member again. Yeah, these members are disciplined in that section. We've got 9683. 6969 PE, Sergeant MS Chuse. Sergeant MS Chuse. Then we've got on the category of best leg, we've got 97009682 MC, Sergeant TN Okongo. Thank you for your service. Then we shall call on the section head to come and collect the member certificate collectively.
ahead, man. Here, have a dollar. In fact, no, man, have two. $2 means a
Let us not be bored, it's a fun thing to do. The next section we'll be moving to will be the transport section. The transport, we've got the most disciplined member, 9375 2475 PE Corporal L.E. Makati, Corporal Makati.
Yeah.
Oh, I will take one of my welcome. Reach me. Thank you for your service and your patriotism, Monamrena. We have got again the best junior NCO 90733528 PE Corporal MP Polo. Okay, Munamulu Polo, where are you? The next category will be within the very same transport, will be the most disciplined member, 07013402 MC Private A Makwanda, Private Makwanda, apologies. The most disciplined member, again, still within the discipline category, 04047254 MC Private SK Dikale. Still within the most dedicated, this guy is taking all the certificates. As the same person, most dedicated member, 04047254 MC Private SK Dikale. Private Dikale. As we move on, most dedicated again within the same section, which is transport, we've got 9896 839659 PE Sergeant J.R. Ponea. Sergeant J.R. Ponea. Right, is Majamini there? Can you come and collect the certificate on behalf of your section? Thank you very much. Transport, for your selfless commitment towards the fulfillment of all the missions of 2-1. Especially this year, I even me, I saw on myself that you've done your best. Even when during our movements going up and down, you did try your level best in terms of arranging transport for us. We really appreciate that from you guys. Right, the next section will be the LWT. Under LWT, we've got the fittest soldier. They are lifting the engines, these people. 07015225 MC Corporal K.I. Paladi. Corporal K.I. Paladi. Most disciplined, we've got 03032109 MC Sergeant H.M. Mabeba. Sergeant H.M. Mabeba. I never knew that even in LWT you'll get neatest people, because these people are supposed to have oil. And the neatest member within LWT, we've got 0503 5936 MC Sergeant H.T. Lekwadu. Sergeant Lekwadu. These members are neat. Again, on the category of neatest member within the same section, LWT, we've got 03492589 MC Sergeant MC Parko. Sergeant MC Parko. As we move on, colleagues, under the category of feature soldier, we've got again 0303 320 3201 MC Sergeant N Zibula. Sergeant N Zibula. Last one from LWT, we've got the most disciplined member who's 0402 1416 Sergeant S.J. Msiza. Sergeant S.J. Msiza. This LWT that is always clean. No. That's why these trucks are standing like this. No, next year we must always be dirty. Maybe us to alternate 12 years. We move on. Thank you very much, Mr. DJ. We move on now to the HR section, human resource. Under human resource, we've got the category of the best admin. The best admin goes to 94007457 CA, Mr. M. Ramatibela. Mr. Ramatibela. You belong to me. Still within the best admin, we've got 9497 9509 CA, Mr. TM Mia. Mr. TM Mia. Thank you very much. We still continue within the same category again of best admin. We've got 03036514 CA MS Lima Oscar Letoba, Mrs. Letoba. Don't steal my leave days.
Thank you.
Still within the best admin. Vast my child, Omar, I took my child. We've got 87701539 CA, Mrs. N. Johnson. Mrs. N. Johnson. Still within the same category of best admin, we've got 0304 4468 MC Private PPM Lodge. Private PPM Lodge. I want my pass ticket. Then we've got the best NCO within the section itself. 01035591 MC Sergeant MZ Machola. Sergeant MZ Machola. The section that just went out, I normally visit on the other side where the people that are going on pension will be assisted, and the people that have passed on who are our colleagues. You'll always get those people working very hard to assist our families. So therefore, that it is well deserved. Same applies to March Unseen. As much we complain about the deductions at some point, you'll always see at 7 o'clock she's with the papers going up and down. Same as Babumi Amlocha. We don't struggle with our bus tickets. As much as they did not all get, but they all deserve. So big ups to them. God bless. The next section that we're going to be attending now will be the QM. Where we got our equipment and our food and all the goodies. 0205 3825 MC Sergeant MC Tana. Sergeant MC Tana. Best Storeman, see, we're still within QM. The best domain, we've got 948492 88 PE Corporal TM Telekwa, Corporal Telekwa.
Now baby, let me tell you this. Listen to stories, I don't wanna lose you. 'Cause if I should lose you, I'll never find another pretty woman. You are mine, my baby. You are mine.
Sure.
All right, we carry on under most disciplined member within the same section, which is QM. We've got 06052732 MC Lance Corporal November Kilo Kubai, Corporal Kubai. Still within the there she comes. There she comes. Pumalanga score. Au Sugamato. Out.
This baby, let's sit down and talk. This life I live, I still need your love. Just give me I'm not telling you love. I'm not in love.
We carry on. West Junior NCO goes to 93752822 PE Lance Corporal SL Tolo. Lance Corporal Tolo, Best Junior NCO.
You are mine, my baby. You are mine.
And the best storeman, still within QM, and the best storeman, we've got 94010444 CA MS Miss SE Motiti. Miss Motiti. Dumela Haiti. Yeah! Shayla. Best leg and the category of best leg, we've got 0012 8280 CAM Miss S Zulu. Miss S Zulu. Ndabezi, Tesilo Samabana. And the best female rifleman, we've got 00193516 MC Private A Tasi. Best female rifleman.
Why give me girl, baby?
We carry on most dedicated member still within the QM section. We've got 00193490 Private AB Nechivambe. No. Still under QM, we've got the best rifleman 00193763 MG Private M Livepe. Private M Livepe. Alright, let's get Rasada. Bosso, you want a hot bus inside Mida, so lower your voices there. The hot bus is still here. As we proceed, colleagues, because time is against us, we are going to be going to a Delta company now. Oh, okay, Delta company. Under Delta company, we've got the best NCO. The best NCO under Delta company will be 9483 3886 PE Corporal TS Sirhone, Corporal Sirhone. Right, colleagues, I think as we are soldiers here, the primary thing is discipline. So I don't like what is happening. The talent later right. Kupaliska spoil and journaling you na ikalku. I can't really tell Temanganyani when Nabon Bomuna Muluma. Man, Korobela Yalona Yalcopa Copa. And now other best rifleman still within Delta. Still within Delta, we've got 11014073 MC Lance Corporal P. Machiolo. Lance Corporal Machiolo.
Only way we get it all right, yeah. Don't hold me back. Never break my heart, 'cause I love you, yeah. Don't hold me back.
Right, everyone. I apologize. Ki eko not Delta. Ki kupalen soirée. That's why they batla umura ni. Kupalen soirée. Then we go to the best leg. Still under Madam Confirm Echo Company. Apologies, colleagues. Echo Company, we've got the best leg 01039494 MC Lielo. We carry on. We know we struggle here with legs. The best leg in this category will be 00042341 MC Lance Corporal TR Lokwa. Corporal Lokwa. Keep it up, Siswana. On set no the best like so we've got 05039482 MC TF Mkabela.
Come on, don't let this pain fade away, yeah. I need your love satisfaction.
As we move on under the last title that has been given from Echo Company, we've got the best female rifleman 0404 6686 MC Private TR Makura. Makura. Can we have an Echo Commander to come and collect the certificates collectively, please? Let's carry on, Bantana Bengos. We are going now to Foxtrot Company. We appreciate today we are here to celebrate Bantwana Bengosi, and we are celebrating some of our colleagues that have committed themselves in this organization. So the best sergeant under Foxtrot Company, we've got 9465 5600 PE Sergeant PM Twari. Sergeant Twari. Waar zijn toen nog zo zijn? Sorry, waar zijn? We see you mee goed, Bas. Shut up.
Your love satisfaction.
Right, as we carry on, we've got the best NCO within the same category, Foxtrot Company. 9267 0710 PE Corporal D. Buddha, Corporal Buddha. Still carrying on. We know we needed the most disciplined member within the same company, 9267 4845 PE Corporal Tsolo. Siyabonga bantwana benkosi. Best junior NCO 0604 2378 MC Lance Corporal T. Gadivana. Bunda Gadivana. Kabadi. Abawone. Right, we move on. NITES member will be 13008743 MC Private C. Quinika. Apologies, Quinika. Apologies, I see I spelled your surname wrong. Now you're Kwatili. I don't try that. Ciao, I play that folks. Thank you, colleagues. We still move on. We've got the best leg. We need these best legs. 04046942 MC Private AP Molefe. AP Molefe. Still under the best leg category, we've got 11017571 MC Private LL Litwaba. Right, as we carry on, we've got the NITES member. 06039762 MC Private SK Machete. Still under the best clerk category of the best clerk. Seemingly this company must give us some of the clerks. They've got a lot of best clerks. 07014301 MC Private VC Longo, Private Longo.
Why when I phone you you my champion? Why when I phone you?
No, I program I watching you now. Yabona isuyazilahlela manje. Sengumashamplani manje. Right, still under the best category of the best clerk, we've got 060302 41 MC Private NG Chauke, Private Chauke. Still within the best category of the best leg, we've got 0505 8409 MC Private MC Nkuchane. Nkuchane, are you here? Alright, can we have the company commander of the Foxtrot company to come and collect the members' certificates collectively, please? Shut up.
Why when I phone why you for me? You my champion. Why when I phone corner? Why when I phone? Why when I phone?
Right, colleagues, this is the last section that we are going to call individual because I see the colleagues want to enjoy. So please bear with us for this last couple of minutes, please. Now the next section that you are going to be attending to will be the CMI section. And the CMI, we've got the best comms and clerk. Best comms and clerk will be 08487522 MC Corporal PR Mpokolo. Corporal Mpokolo? Mpokoto, yes. Back in the 90s, ngisese intwana ngisafunde primary school sishawa amaHotman wasekazi. Oh, okay. Right, we carry on still under CMI. Sorry, ungayishaya until ngishaya. Ngiyazi ngomashamplan. Right, we go to the under still CMI. We go to the best NCO 0205 6935 MC Corporal TL Mbele. Corporal Mbele. Uyaluma wena abantu abangaka bayangaza uyaluma wena. Uyaluma wena. Last from CMI, but not least, we've got again the best clerk 0505 6488 MC Corporal L Mfombo. Corporal Mfombo. PSEPs. The next section we'll be attending to is the PSEPs. There are people that we tend to ignore each and every day when we work in this unit. There are people who are always cutting grass, cleaning the offices, making sure that the unity is well looked after amongst the things that they do, not that they are limited into that. So we must always appreciate those members as our fellow colleagues. Under PSEPs, we've got the best groundsman. First number will be 00129007. Mr. H.L. Mpeka. Mr. Mpeka, please. Still carrying on, colleagues. It's a good day. Let us enjoy. We've got the groundsmen still under PSEP, the members of PSEP. We've got 0012-8983, Mr. S. Mashango. Mdunga, come here.
Speeder.
Right, thank you, colleagues. We still move on. Still on the best groundsman category. We've got 00126409 CA Mr. T. Sihogo. Mr. Sihogo. Thank you, sir. Under the category of the best cleaner, as I'm standing here, I'm very proud of being a son of a domestic worker. My mom used to clean my road buses' houses fucked up. Jiken was me was. Thank you. Under the best cleaner, we've got 9904-5965 CA, Miss S. Ntuli. Miss Ntuli. We are still thanking the people who are always making sure that we are working is always clean. Still in the category of the best cleaner, we've got 0012-8785 CA, Miss Z. Goto. Miss Goto. Okay, let us carry on. Still in the category of best cleaner, we've got 00127704 CA, Miss Z. Moya. Miss Moya. Right, still on the precept now. This is the last category. Umuntu onakelela imali zethu la eUnity, the bookkeeper himself. The first number will be 961007 years first number. Oh, number in the kakhulu, but our bookkeeper has been honored for her exceptional job since joining 217 Battalion, Miss Notary. Now, colleagues, due to the timings that we have realized that you want to enjoy, please just bear with the situation. Let us explain ourselves before you start moving up and down. The commander has decided now to give to each company to ensure that we do not get bored here and we execute. Oi, stop laughing there. Oi, can you sit down, please? Ngahlala phansi sike sicedele into esizele asela ngizodlala la sizele umcimbi sizele ukuzohlonipha, so we must respect the military protocol. Can you sit down and let us execute what you are here for, then we are done. You will enjoy yourselves, please. Try it up. Right, colleagues, the next category that will be issued, the next section that will be issuing certificates to will be the HQ. However, we have seen that due to what is happening here, we do not want this environment to end up getting out of control because we are soldiers. So what we have decided to do with my honorable acting officer commanding 217 Battalion is to give each section. Then the section will then allocate to the members. So if you are sitting here, do not say I'm in a certificate. The certificate might be issued from your section to avoid this misunderstanding that is happening here. Right, so the next category will be the HQ. Can we have someone who's going to represent the HQ for the collective certificate, please? Shine up. Then the certificates as to the HQ, we've got exceptional performance, Lance Corporal 06026934 MC Lance Corporal AL October, Corporal October. Most dedicated member, we've got 92663681 PE Corporal RH Ricoto. Under exceptional performance, we've got 94082245 PE Corporal Nkibi. Corporal Nkibi. Nkibi uzangixolela mfowethu ngizokunikeza sakho next year. Most disciplined member, we've got 93752475 PE Corporal LE Makati. Corporal Makati. Best Junior NCO, we've got 969390733526 PE Corporal MP Pulu, Corporal Pulu. Best clerk, under best clerk, we've got 06026245 MC Private RG Ngobese, Private Ngobese. Best Junior NCO, we've got 94665874 PE Corporal MM Matloha, Corporal Matloha. Exceptional performance, we've got 11017522 MCPE Private DL Duprios. Milani Vazi, come for all your certificate, you don't come here. Junior NCO, we've got 96060106 MC Lance Corporal PP Nema Fononi. Corporal Nema Fononi. Our Chinese are the person having no more. Best NCO, we've got 90705697 PE, Sergeant KE Mazibu, Sergeant Mazibu. Most disciplined member, we've got 93753440 PE, Lance Corporal November Kilo, Matavate. I was a charge plus Namola. Double up, so I was a charge. It's a Putin. Most dedicated now. 9265 8913 PE, Corporal AM Nkabi. Corporal Nkabi. Shine Zanda. Now was no shum tulu, Dalum Tulu. I'll show you complete. Right, the next section that will be honored will be the RSM section. The RSM would like to thank the members for their distinguished contribution towards the fulfillment of the missions of Chuansai Battalion. Under the RSM's category, we've got the regimental aspect supporter. It is 96679311 PE, Staff Sergeant TS Sivulo, Staff Sergeant Sivulo. Same under the same category of regimental aspect supporter, we've got 94979689 PE, Staff Sergeant Z Mzini, Staff Sergeant Mzini. A Chinese hand. Same within regimental aspect supporter, we've got 94828384 PE, Senior Warrant Officer KK Teman, Sergeant Major Teman. Still within the same category, we've got 89715213 PE, Warrant Officer EB Lamini, Sergeant Major Lamini. Still under the same category of regimental aspect supporter will be 96093000 PE W01L M Dibetle, Sergeant Major Dibetle. Shawizanga. Na ushaya ndo tumtulo so wambile man. No? Yabona manje makuthi uthi ngiyakudelela. Shawumculo da. Still under the same category we've got 87767661 PE, Warrant Officer DM Musopani, Saimeja Musopani. Moving on, so late, so shall it look to lang so full. 92225826 MC, Sergeant Major Lilake, Sergeant Major Lilake, W1 Lilake. Still under the regimental aspect, we've got 95807607 PE, W2SA Adoro, Sergeant Major Adoro. Still under the regimental aspect supporter, we've got 94680782 PE, Sergeant Major Class 1 SS Pilo, Sergeant Major Pilo. Right, we carry on. Still under regimental aspect supporter, we've got 94997624 PE, Sergeant Major A.W. Tile, Sergeant Major Tile. As we carry on under the same category, we've got 76 PE. W02 PE Mahuma, Saimeja Mahuma. Still under regimental aspects, we've got 96680012 PE, Staff Sergeant Z.N. Dlamini, Staff Sergeant Z.N. Dlamini. Under the same category of gain, we've got 89726590 PE, Staff Sergeant S.M. Mohapi, Staff Sergeant Mohapi. Still under the same category, we've got 93740587 PE, Staff Sergeant N.E. Nkosi, Staff Sergeant Nkosi. Under the same category, which is regimental aspect supporter, we've got 98005614 PE, Sergeant Major Class 2 CM Malibu, Sergeant Major Malibu. 90726177 PE, W2 KD Sihole, Dupla Ds, Sergeant Major Sihole. Still under the same category of regimental aspect supporter, we've got 96833579 PE, Sergeant Major Class 2 LM Rakali. Uhlale lapho kancane. Regimental aspect, still under regimental aspect, 94829215 PE, Sergeant Major Ngongo, Sergeant Major Ngongo. Yeah, the RSM, they normally say the RSM is the mother of the unit. So the RSM knows his people. I believe he knows almost all of us in this unit. So last but at least, we've got Sergeant Major 94079597 PE, W2 MP Mshongo Njomani, ngokudla kwakho siyabonga. Shut up. Right, we are almost done. Just bear with the situation. Now we're going to be focusing on the Honorable Acting Officer Commanding Chuansai Battalion to thank the contribution that the individuals that we're going to read are going to come forward and collect. For the exceptional performance within the services of Chuansai Battalion, on behalf of the infantry formation and the SA Army and the SA NDF, broadly, we've got 0303 8630 MC Captain November Papa's Funza, Captain Funza. Shine his on now. Still on the exceptional services, exceptional performances on services of Chuansa Battalion, we've got 0702 2082 MC Captain H. Rambao. We carry on still within the same category. We've got 0001 9380 MC Captain S. Narayana Sami. Nara Namaste. Yeah, my man is big DRC man. Yeah. Right, we carry on, colleagues. Still on the exceptional performance of the people who have dedicated themselves in the services of Chuansa Battalion. We've got 87771705 PE Captain S.E. Siatrudi, Captain Siatrudi, sir. Please do not charge me, sir. Please do not charge me. Right, we carry on still under the exceptional performance. We've got 96690095 PE Captain ZM Gobes, Captain Gobes. Right, still on the category of exceptional performance, the acting officer commanding Chuansa Battalion would like to thank and appreciate the member that is going to be called forward to thank him for the services that he has contributed to Chuansa Battalion upon his arrival until to date. That is going to be 94796305 PE, Master Warrant Officer M. Sobui. Master Warrant Officer Right, we still carry on under the same category. We've got 84552587 PE, Warrant Officer Class 2 OJ Potriter. Poti, where's your man? Give Poti some time, give Poti some time. It's coming. Shaya love, Shaya love.
Thank you.
Thank you, Poti. Thank you for your selfless commitment towards the organization itself. I'll show you now. You can do the full man just quickly. Ngingathi wakho uDJ uthi mphathe. Yeah, yakho Tosima. Greetings once more, comrades. In arms, comrades in arms, colleagues, sorry for my weight. As we move on within honoring our members that have dedicated themselves throughout this year, which was 2025, we've got one special category that...
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, he bypassed himself. Ne? I gave him a certificate, but he was so selfish not to read out his name. Right, I'm gonna say, for the most useless officer, it was always in a problem for this unit. No, for the excellent execution of his duties, I'm gonna say it again. 99007056 MC, the Captain, MS Glamini.
My good boss has already said it. I mean, I'm always in trouble. I don't know why. Colleagues, there's this special person that has represented us very well this year. This one is not from the unit, it's from the Chief Army it's a Chief Army Recognition Award, and it goes to 05029486 MC Private November Papa Kono. This is to honor the member. If I can just read for you, colleagues, what the Chief Army is saying here. It's in honor of SA Army member who distinguished themselves during the SANDF Fetal Soldier Competition in May 2025. Thank you. I was jealous. I wanted to take it home. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Without further wasting of time, I'm going to hand over to my colleague here, who's going to carry on with the rest of the event itself. To you, my lady.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As NPF, we are here to give this to the members going on pension. The first one will be 977-65715 PE Corporal VV Makubali. The next person is 897375. Pardon. 89757389 PE Corporal A Parker, who started working from 2006 in Tuan till February 2026. The next person is 94096831 PE Corporal SP Polani. Started breaking 89 till 2005.
Wabona lo ya pension de ulutsa mangate. Ke wabona la wa vaya de utsa mangate. Ya sharp con. Pack. Thank you.
The next person is 94096286 PE Sergeant SJ Shokani. Started working in 1994 till 2008.
Wa o shata le mashokwa le tlo shenka le ditu. Na bo tile le mashokwa le tlo shenka le ditu.
That's what we never came on. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The next person is Mr. PK Tolo.
Say shopping all over, it's a shopping all over. Say shopping all over, it's a shopping all over. Say shopping all over.
Thank you, Mr. DJ. The next dedicated member is 8777 1648 PE Sergeant KJ Chabalala. The next member, 877 68750 PE Sergeant SM, the boxer, Sadi. The next member is 9070 4800 PE Corporal SM Sportsman Sitosa. The last but not least is 966 72994 PE Lance Corporal M Zulu. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your patience. Now we are going to give the acting officer commanding of 215 Battalion, Major Van Eden.
Mo fe mai.
Good morning to everybody. You know, I'm from Namibia, so my English is not the best. I was there. Right. Good morning to everybody here. It's a great honor as the acting OC to stand in front of you. Other people are not here due to operations and also family problems and anything. But from my side, firstly, it's like the end of the year and I know everybody's irritated. I want to go home and somebody want to take leave and you cannot take leave. Firstly, I want to say thank you to the guards. You're doing a hell of a good job. I know you're not always thankful for what you are doing, but I want to say thank you to you what you are doing personally and to the RSM's team. Right, let's start. Good day. As we gathered for the Indian function, we pause to reflect on the market by commitment, discipline and service. Today is the only celebration. It is a recognition for every soldier and every member who contributes to the strength and success to this unit. Siabagan. Yes! Siabagan! Yeah, you know where you come from. Some of you just arrived yesterday, but you know where you were. Right. Your dedication, professionalism, and resilience have been the backbone of our achievement. Whenever on parade, in the field, in training, and support roles, each of you has played a vital role in maintaining a high standard expected of us as members of the South African National Defence Force. This year brought a share of challenges, yet we faced each one with courage and dignity. You continue to uphold our values, support your commanders, and strengthen operations, and to contribute to everything we do our success. To our stakeholders, meaning outside and inside, partners and supporters, thank you for standing out for us. Your guidance, collaboration, and continued support has strengthened our operations and contributes greatly to our success. To the members who presented our unit support in the bench, teamwork and the spirit of excellence that defines this battalion. Congratulations to all of you who received awards today. Your hardship and earned recognition inspires all of us. As we approach the festive season, some of you will take it well-earned leave. I wish you a safe, peaceful, and refreshing break. Ready for the demands of the coming year. For all of you who remain on duty, thank you for continuing in upholding the standards of this unit during the holidays. Your commitment doesn't go unnoticed. As we celebrate, let us remember importance, respect, and teamwork. Those who qualify carry us forward in the new year as we continue to build stronger, more effective, and a cohesive battalion. May you and your families enjoy Christmas and a healthy, prosperous new year. May the festive season bring rest, renewal, and moments of happiness. Lastly, sincerely, I thank you for your organizing the team, for putting everything together. Your hard work and attention of detail have made this celebration possible. Thank all for your outstanding service. I remain an honor and privilege to lead this battalion. I look forward to what we will achieve together in the next year. Right, thank you very much. Right, so from my side, Captain Hara, can you please explain to the members what is now, ladies, I know Stefani to show to us. Nice, but the ladies are. But from my side, let's enjoy the day and next party.
In Africa,
Acting Officer Commanding 215 Battalion, Unit RSM, all protocol observed. The sequence of events that's going to take place is all members that are contributing towards the NPF will make your way to our conference room and receive what you are entitled to. Also those members who pay in cash. There is also a photo booth here, an overhead camera. Let's be patient with each other when we are using this facility. It's a very nice facility where we're going to take photos in. There's also going to be another photo booth that's coming in. Let's all be patient and give each other a chance to take photos. Let's enjoy the music, let's enjoy the braai, and let's have a good time. I thank you.
I'm Samana. All right. soze ngifota abantu wena ngakufoti hawu sibuya kude kanje